Want to add new AI skills to Google Chrome? In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable skills in Chrome and add the skills you want. First, open Google Chrome. Now, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Settings. On the Settings page, look at the left side menu and click AI in Chrome. Now, scroll down and find Skills in Chrome. Click on Skills in Chrome. Here, you'll see an option to enable this feature. Simply turn it on. Once Skills in Chrome is enabled, you can add your preferred skills. Click on Skills Gallery to explore the available skills. Find the skill you want to use, click Add, and then save your changes. And that's it. You've now enabled skills in Chrome and added your preferred skills. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome and AI tips.